Cups. They are everywhere, and thanks to recent and upcoming legislation globally, we're going to be seeing plastic cups disappear as paper or card alternatives replace them. Paper cups are just simply a far more sustainable alternative than single-use plastics. The Edale FL5 carton production line can print and cut cardboard cups with ease, and with a substrate range of up to 700 microns, even the most robust cups can be handled. The use of a heavy-duty rotary die cut allows high speed with up to 600mm of web width. The ultra-fast changeover times and finishing in line makes this a highly efficient production method compared to traditional sheet-fed or wide web flexo operations. The addition of embellishments in line is also another benefit of using a modular flexo solution. We've got customers all around the world making cups with FL5 machines, one of which is Thai Embo in Thailand, producing cups for the popular instant noodle brand Mama. They currently produce around 30 million cups of various different sizes and designs per month, with the machine running 18 hours per day. They were previously using several offset presses and outsourcing a lot of their production, but this was replaced by a single Edale flexographic printing press with rotary die cutting. This allowed them to better manage the quality of the product and deliver a finished flat cup in a single pass with quality printing, embellishments, die cutting and delivery all on the same machine. They also now have the colour and quality consistency that you get from a flexographic press, and thanks to some other upgrades such as a continuous unwind and automation, including the 100% print inspection, their production time and waste has been reduced significantly. If you're looking for an alternative to single-use plastics, then carton board is a viable alternative, and the versatility of the Edale FL5 single-pass carton production solution allows for cost-effective production of not only cups, but also other traditionally plastic products for the food industry, including ready meal and fast food trays. Why not contact us to discuss your current and future requirements?